Today I'm going to teach you how to give your woman a breast orgasm. If your lady is completely disconnected from sensations, from feeling pleasure in her breast area, stay until the end. I'll give you a great technique how to change that, how to rewire her senses. A relatively new study reveals that women's nipples stimulate the brain in the same way that genital stimulation does. A lot of women know this already. Small breasts are typically more sensitive than big breasts. Also, our sensitivity in our breasts depend on our moon cycle. So typically a week before our periods, during our periods, and during ovulation time, our breasts are really tender and sensitive. So get familiar with her moon cycle to better understand her arousal dynamics. So let's dive into steps on how to give her a breast orgasm. Step number 1. Start waking her breasts up by massaging them. To learn how to massage her breasts, go ahead and download my free guide, How to Massage Her Breasts, that I've created for you to educate yourself. And here you have to go on a journey. Even though there are general guidelines on how to do it, for example, never push the breast down. Ooh, even like imagining feeling that, it just feels awful. Always push them up, right? It's always that way, never that way. Yes, you can go slightly on the sides down, but never like press them down. It's always up. But every woman is different. For example, one woman would like her nipple to be twisted, and another woman would absolutely hate it. One woman would like a light nibble on her nipple, another woman would absolutely hate it. So go on to discovery here, right? And lose the goal. Also, you don't have to stay in the region of her breasts. You massage all over her body, right? You massage her arms, you massage her legs. Refer to my free guides. You'll see how to do it there. Number 2, and this is a psychological step. It's very important for you to lose the goal. And of course, not to push her, oh, like I want you to have a breast massage. And I know most of you won't do it, but even for you to have that, okay, to make it very goal-oriented. Tonight, I'm gonna make her breast orgasm. Also, check in with you. Where's it coming from? Like, why do you want her? What is it gonna give you, right? Is it gonna, if she orgasm from her breast, it means that, you know, it will prove that you're this great lover. Your only intention is just to give her pleasure, really. And then let it flow, right? Sex, breast orgasm, that's a very subtle art. So let it flow. Number 3, encourage her to rock her body with those sensations that she feels, to breathe into those sensations, to let it expand throughout her body, and to sound it out, right? It's very easy to get distracted even in the moments of pleasure, as I'm sure you know. So by breathing, rocking her body and sound it, it will help her to focus more and to stay in her body. When you see and feel that she caught that pleasure wave and she's getting more and more turned on, she's approaching orgasm, whatever stimulation that you found, the exploratory period is over now. Just stay at whatever you're doing and don't change a thing. So for those women who don't feel much at all in their breast area, this is what I suggest you do. As you are stimulating her breasts, you will start stimulating either her clitoris or her entire vulva, whatever she prefers. So in this way, the places that are already wired for pleasure will start sending signals to the brain and linking it to her breasts, where she's not trained to feel pleasure yet. So I'm going to repeat myself again. The key to any orgasms is not to have that goal, rather to lose that goal and fully drop into the pleasure from moment to moment, right? Breathe in, rock your body, sound, relax, and you'll be on your way, or rather your woman will be on her way to have breast orgasm. By the way, you're not the exception to that. You also have chest and you have nipples, so you can also train yourself to have nipple orgasms. We'll talk about this in the other video. Please remember to subscribe, like it, share it, and I would love to hear your questions or comments. Read your comments under the video. Okay, bye. I'll see you soon. Bye.